Take a look at this channel. It's only 2 months old, yet it has already crossed 25,000 subscribers, and every single video is getting solid views. Right now, this channel is pulling in more than 1 million views every month, which easily translates to around $10,000 per month. And the reason is simple. The niche is finance. Now, here's the interesting part. All these videos are made in a clean whiteboard animation style. And the crazy thing is, you can create the exact same type of videos using just one AI tool. No team, no complex setup. Just wait, I'll show you exactly how. But before that, let me show you one more channel. Same niche, same video style, and again, very decent views on almost every upload. The only problem is consistency. If the creator was uploading regularly, this channel could easily be making $15,000 to $20,000 per month. And it's not just these two. There are many new channels right now growing fast in niches like finance, book summaries, psychology, and business. Most of them have already achieved impressive results. Now, here's the exciting part. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone these types of channels using just one AI tool almost in one click. And trust me, this tool is still very new. Out of 100 people, maybe only 2 actually know about it right now. That's why this is a real opportunity. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll break everything down step by step, even if you're starting from zero. All right, let's get started. So first of all, you need to decide your niche. These are some high profit niches that you can try. Among all of them, finance and business are the most profitable niches. And the good thing is, inside these niches, you'll find a lot of sub-niches as well, because these are broad categories. For example, inside finance, you have personal finance, trading, investing, saving tips, passive income ideas, and many more options. So yes, the possibilities are huge. But at the same time, if you have a strong interest in any other niche, you can definitely go in that direction too. In fact, working in a niche you enjoy will be much more beneficial in the long run. For now, let's just pick one niche together. I'll go with the finance niche. All right, now the next step is to find video ideas that are trending right now. For example, these days, because of geopolitical tension, there's a lot of discussion happening in the global market around gold, silver, and copper. So by following these trends, you can easily create videos on hot topics like these. One important thing to remember here is to always add a disclaimer in your video, clearly saying that this content is only for educational purposes and you're not forcing anyone to buy or sell anything. This is very important, especially in the finance niche. Okay, now there are many ways to find hot video topics. One simple way is to regularly follow good finance channels and trusted news sources. You should have a basic idea of what's happening around the world. Once you do that, video ideas will start coming to you automatically. Apart from that, you can also use Google Trends, which is a very powerful tool. Just go to trends.google.com, then click on Explore. Type your keyword there, choose a specific location if you want, and hit enter. And now you can clearly see that topics like gold and silver are trending a lot right now. Along with this, you can also use keyword research tools like VidIQ. The process is very simple. You just need to type a keyword and VidIQ will instantly suggest top performing videos related to that keyword. After that, you can analyze all those videos properly. For example, you'll notice a channel that was started just 3 weeks ago. This channel is using an AI avatar and AI voice and is uploading consistently, around 1 to 2 videos every single day. And now in just 3 weeks, this channel is about to cross 1 million views and is easily making around $20,000 per month. That's insane, right? So what you can do is analyze the topics of these channels and then recreate those videos in your own style. I'm not saying copy them blindly, but understand what's working and present the same ideas in your own unique way. Okay, you can also take help from ChatGPT here. Just copy the titles of popular videos from any successful channel. Then go to ChatGPT and type a simple prompt asking it to analyze or improve these titles. After that, paste all the titles there and hit enter. ChatGPT will help you with ideas, angles, and even better titles that you can use for your own videos. So ChatGPT will generate 30 similar video titles for you. And if you follow my steps and upload videos consistently for 30 days, there is a very high chance that your channel will get monetized. All right, for example, I pick one title from this list and then I go to Golpo AI. I will give you the discounted link in the description so you can try it yourself. This tool is powerful because it automatically converts your title into a complete whiteboard animation video. You can simply add a normal title here, or you can describe your video idea in detail, like the topic, the perspective, and specific instructions. You can also directly upload a script file if you already have one. The best part is that Golpo AI supports multiple languages, so you can easily create videos in your regional language as well. Now, in the new update of Golpo AI, you can use your own voiceover. You just need to upload your recorded voice, or you can record your voice directly inside the tool. On top of that, you can even clone your voice. So if you want a unique and professional sounding voice, just clone it and use it in your videos. Honestly, this feature is amazing, and it makes content creation super easy. All right, now let's move forward. Okay, so for now, I will only copy and paste the title here. All right, now there is one more option available, which allows you to insert user-created videos or images into your video, or even capture walkthroughs and add them as clips in the final video. I am not going to use this feature right now, so I'll simply skip it. If you want to learn more about this feature, you can explore it from here. Okay, after that, to make the video more interesting and visually appealing, you can add voice and video instructions here. This step is optional, but I usually add some simple instructions like this. Then I enable the option Edit Script before creating video, because I want full control over the script. I also keep the colorful video option checked to make the visuals look more engaging. After that, choose the music type, then move to the duration section. Here, you can create videos of up to 10 minutes, which is honestly a great feature. For now, I will select 4 minutes because an 8-minute video usually takes more time to generate. Okay, next in the voiceover section, we will select this voice. You can even preview the voice from here before choosing it. Then in orientation, select horizontal, choose English as the language, although you can generate videos in any language you want. Lastly, in the video style section, you will see 3 different styles, and you can preview each one. All 3 are visible here, but personally, I like the last 2 styles more, especially the formal style. The animations are clean and the level of detailing in the video is really good. So I will select this style and then click on Generate Script. Now, within just a few seconds, the script is ready and you can easily modify it, add new points, or even regenerate the script if you want. All right, once you are satisfied, simply click on Create Video from Script. The video will be generated in around 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the length of the video. All right, our video is now generated, and as you can see, it looks very clean and professional. So I'll go ahead and download the video. Now, let's preview the video.
We're told money is about math, that if you just learn to budget, you'll be fine. But that's a lie. The average adult can only answer about half of basic financial questions correctly. This isn't just a gap in knowledge, it's a hole in your pocket, costing Americans hundreds of billions a year. The real game of money isn't played on a calculator, it's played inside your own head. The first hidden rule is that money is about behavior, not brilliance. Think about present bias. It's our brain's tendency to want a small reward now over a much larger reward later.
Wow, this is honestly insane. The video quality is genuinely amazing. The animations, graphs, and voiceover all feel very polished and professional. I personally fell in love with this tool from day one. It's really impressive. Now, if you want to make any changes to the video, it's super simple. Just go to the library and click on Edit. Here, you'll see all the clips listed one by one. Select the clip you want to regenerate, then describe what changes you want to make to that specific frame. You can type a simple angle or scene prompt, and you can even upload a reference image if you want. After that, just click Finalize, and that's it. The clip will be updated. So this is how, with just one simple prompt, you can create any type of whiteboard animation video very easily. Before we wrap up, let me quickly explain Golpo's pricing and why it's still worth it. Golpo has 2 main plans. The Gross plan at $199 per month gives you 150 minutes of color video, which is great if you're posting consistently. But the real power is in the Business plan. For $499 per month, you get 390 minutes of video, plus advanced features like using your own audio, voice cloning, frame-by-frame editing, screen recording, and product demos. You also get full control through scripts and video instructions, and each video can be up to 10 minutes long. Yes, it may sound expensive at first, but if you hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork, one video alone can cost $200 or more. Here, you can create the same quality videos in just 10 minutes all by yourself. And right now, there's no other single tool that can do all of this in one place. I've shared the Golpo AI link in the description, so try it out and experiment for yourself.